Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked on a video and thought, why does this audio sound so messy? Background music too loud, vocals mixed together, or just impossible to clean? Yeah, been there. Today I'll show you a super simple way to clean audio online using AI, no software download, no complicated setup. We're using HitPaw Online AI Vocal Remover. What I like about this tool is that it works for both audio and video files. Whether you're editing YouTube videos, shorts, podcasts, or even making karaoke tracks, it gets the job done fast. All you do is upload your file M3, WAV, M4, MKV, pretty much anything. The AI automatically analyzes the audio and separates vocals from background sound. You don't need to tweak settings or understand audio engineering at all. After a short wait, you can instantly preview the result online. Want clean vocals? Done. Need an instrumental version? Also done. This is perfect for removing background noise, remixing music, or creating clean voice tracks for videos. The separation quality is surprisingly good, thanks to their advanced AI algorithm. And everything runs 100% online, with encrypted processing, so your files stay safe. Once you're happy with the preview, just download the cleaned audio. Simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. Links in the description. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.